In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very cool photo editor software that deals with AI to change or to enhance or to edit your photo generally online, and everything is done free of charge. You can upload your photos in different formats from JPEG to PNG to WebP and so on, as far as the size is not up to more than 24 megabyte, right? So you can do that as well with a single image or with multiple images at a time. You can upload multiple images and you can give in your prompt, and then it's going to give you pure results. Then you can select the model type as well as the aspect ratio of the image that you want. So let's start with something very simple. Let's upload a single image. For example, let's go with single image. Let's upload that image. Assuming I have this image of mine, I can just upload it, and I want to give it a very simple basic prompt. Can you change my cap to a P cap and let me wear sunglasses? Okay, so you can choose the type of model that you want to use. For this, I want to go with nano banana, and the aspect ratio I want to keep it at 16:9, and then let's just go ahead and say generate this image. And as you can see, it is going through the image and it is going to enhance this and give us something very good, even though we're not too detailed with the kind of P cap and the color and so on, but you can be as detailed as possible. And you can see this is wonderfully created. This is me, of course, and then you can go ahead and download. What I like most about this is the sunglasses, the P cap, look like a policeman, and then you can just go ahead and download, and this is going to download the image for you in PNG. So take a look. Wonderfully, it's been downloaded. You can use it for your own content. All right, so this concludes this simple tutorial on the use of PhotoEditor AI to edit your photos completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.